Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. I want to read the article by Ahmed Abulainin. Washington readers Big Pharma spend more than any other industry to lobby Congress and federal agencies this year. Reuters analysis shows but still suffered a major defeat after failing to stop a bill that allows the government to negotiate price on select drugs. Despite the pharmaceutical industry's spending at least less 142 million dollars on lobbying efforts, the 430 dollar Inflation Reduction Act to change climate, health, and tax policies will become law. It cleared its large hurdle last week with passage in the Senate without any Republicans joining Democrats in voting for the bill, followed by passage by the U.S. House of Representatives on Friday. President Joe Biden will sign it into law next week. The bill imminent enactment represents a rare legislative defeat for the pharmaceutical industry and set the precedent for curbing drug price in the world. Most lucrative market for medicines, according to congressional and industry officials. This is a major first step forward. Democratic Senator Patty Murray, chair of the Senate Health Committee, told Reuters, "It is the first time we've been able to make the kind of step to lower price on pharmaceutical which will set the stage for us to do more." Health policy experts say the bill reflects the pharma industry's weakening influence on the Democratic Party and that its main argument against price negotiation, that is stifles inflation, is no longer persuasive for the public. The Kaiser Family Foundation
If
October
ours
found
are
that 83%
break
of Americans,
30
including
level
95%
line
of Democrats and 71%
downwards,
of Republicans, want
then we take
the
a
federal Medicare
sell
health plan from a
trade.
Kaiser Family Foundation poll in October found that 83% of Americans, including 95% of Democrats and 71% of Republicans, want the federal Medicare health plan for seniors to negotiate price a provision of the bill. The pharma guys upped the ante in throwing everything but the kitchen sink against this, said Senator Ron Wyden, a Democrat who chairs the Finance Committee. The industry's powerful trade association, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturer of America, PhRMA, urged senators in a public letter to reject the bill. And President Stephen told Politico that lawmakers who vote for it would not get a free pass. Few associations have all the tools of modern political advocacy at their disposal in the way the PhRMA does, he said. A PhRMA spokesperson said the group would continue to treat of the money spent on lobbying, around 93 million dollar come from PhRMA and its member companies. The PhRMA campaign argued the prescription drugs do not contribute to inflation, hitting average 2.5% rise in drugs price in the past year compared with a 17% rise in health insurance price. Okay, that's all. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. See you next time.